So in continuation with the previous video for drawing the Bode plot for the transfer function g of jw is equal to 10 into j omega plus 3 divided by j omega into bracket j omega plus 2 into this j omega square plus jw plus 2 bracket complete. So this is the given transfer function, and now we have to put this into the normalized form. So put this g of jw in normalized form or standard form. So for putting the normalized form, we have taken here 3 outside the bracket, here 2 outside the bracket, and from this factor 2 outside the bracket. So all this we have taken outside the bracket, and we have found one factor, that is 7.5. So this is a constant gain k. Okay, this is the one factor, this is another factor, third factor, fourth factor, fifth factor. So these are the 5 factors. Therefore this function is composed of the following. Okay, 7.5, these are the 5 factors, and therefore the corner frequency of the third, fourth and fifth are, what is the corner frequency for this? It is 3, it is 2 and it is a root 2. So these are the corner frequency. So lowest corner frequency is root 2. So before this we have to start from this corner frequency. That means before this there was one pole at the origin, and this pole is having the slope of minus 20 dB per decade. That is the reason below omega is equal to root 2, the plot has the slope of minus 20 dB per decade. So at the corner frequency omega is equal to root 2, the slope changes to minus 60 dB per decade. Okay, so at omega is equal to 2, that is the second corner frequency, where what will be the slope of this second corner frequency? 2. As this is the factor in the denominator, this will having the slope of again, first at the corner frequency omega is equal to root 3, the slope changes to 60 dB per decade, because initially the slope was minus 20 dB per decade, and at this corner frequency the slope changes to minus 60 dB per decade. So this continues to the next corner frequency omega is equal to 2, where the slope becomes now, initially it was minus 20 dB per decade, now it is a minus 60 dB per decade. So total will be the minus 80 dB per decade. So the last corner frequency omega is equal to 3, the slope changes to minus 60 dB per decade, because at omega is equal to 3, this factor is having the slope of plus 20 dB per decade. So minus 80 dB per decade plus 20 dB per decade is equal to minus 60 dB per decade. So do not get confused, this will again get clear when you solve no more problems. Okay, this is your first problem, and in first problem I think you will not get all the things about how the slope changes, what will be the slope of these factors. Already we have covered this in the theory. Okay, so now we have to draw the Bode plot for this transfer function, as we have done all the homeworks. Okay, so this is the Bode plot, that is a magnitude plot versus frequency. Okay, so I have drawn this magnitude versus frequency, 0 dB, 20 dB, 40 dB, on negative side minus 20, minus 40 dB. So 0.1 to 1, this is one decade, 1 to again 10, this is another decade. Okay, similarly now consider the gain constant k. What is the Bode plot for the constant gain k? So 20 log of k, value come will be 17.5. So this is approximately 17.5, and therefore the Bode plot for the constant gain k is a horizontal straight line. of the respective magnitude. Okay, so this is the Bode plot for this first factor. Now consider the second factor. This is the second factor. First factor is the, this is the gain k. Okay, this is the first factor, individual plot of the gain k, which is equal to the 7.5. Now second factor, this is the second factor. Okay, this is actually the second factor. Which one is second factor? This is a 1 over j omega. So this 1 over j omega, okay, so this having the slope of minus 20 dB per decade. So this is the slope of minus 20 dB per decade. So this is the second factor, that is a 1 over j omega. So this is the individual slope for this pole at the origin. So this is a minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, the next factor is 1 plus j omega by 3. This is 3. So this is 3, and below the 3 it is a 0 dB line, and after the 3 it is a plus 20 dB per decade. So this factor is actually 1 plus j omega by 3. 1 plus j omega by 3. This is the factor. Okay, so this is the third factor, and fourth factor is again 1 plus j omega by 2 raised to power minus 1. This is the fourth factor. And now what is the corner frequency? Is 2. So this, the corner frequency is 2. So below this corner frequency 2, this factor is having the 0 dB line, and above or beyond this omega is equal to 2, this factor is having the slope of minus 20 dB per decade. So this line will be parallel to this minus 20 dB per decade line. So this is the fourth factor. And the fifth factor, we can say this is the quadratic factor, and the quadratic factor is having the corner frequency, that is a root 2. So a root 2 may be somewhere here, and this is having the slope of minus 40 dB per decade. So minus 40 dB per decade means this is the slope of minus 40 dB per decade, and this is the, we have to draw the parallel to this. So this is the fifth factor having the slope of, this is having the slope of minus 40 dB per decade. This is the fifth factor having the slope of minus 40 dB per decade. So this is the magnitude versus frequency plot. Now the phase plot. This is a phase plot. Now the first factor is the 7.5 factor. Now what is the phase angle of the constant gain k? It is a 0 degree. So I have shown here 0 degree. Second factor is this factor. Okay, second factor is the pole at origin, and therefore the pole at origin is having again the phase angle equal to minus 90 degree. Therefore this is also constant. So this is the phase angle versus frequency for the second factor. Third factor is this. So this will be the phase angle curve for the third factor. So the tan inverse of omega by 3, and this is again having the slope, having the phase angle of tan inverse of omega by 3. This is the phase angle for the third factor. Phase angle for the fourth factor is this. How we can find a phase angle? It is a tan inverse of minus tan inverse of omega by 3, because this is a pole in the pole. This is a pole actually, that is why it is a negative sign. This is the 0, so this is having the positive angle. This is the pole having the negative angle, minus tan inverse of omega by 2, and the fifth factor is this quadratic factor, and this is the phase angle for this. This will reach to the minus 180 degree line at the infinity. So this is the curve like shown. So this is the second plot, that is a phase angle, phase plot versus frequency, and first was the phase magnitude plot versus frequency. So this is the Bode plot for the individual circuit. Okay, so this is the in continuation with the previous problem, where the homework was completed, only the plots was remain to draw, and here we have already drawn this plot in this second video. So I will appeal to you, you try to watch the videos in continuation, so that we can get the details about this example. In one previous examples we have done the homework for drawing the Bode plot, and in second video, this video, we have drawn the Bode plot. Okay, again we will solve more problems and it will get clear. Now we have drawn in this example individual plots. Okay, so in next problems we will draw the composite plot by algebraically taking the addition of all these individual plots, so that we can prepare the composite plots. Thank you very much.